Hey guys, Mustang Jackson 67 back here, and today I'm going to be fixing this panel with where the coating has wore off on this 2010 Chevy Suburban. Now, I went on Amazon and got this kit that has stickers that's going to cover this up, and I'm going to show you the steps that we got to take to do that. Now, those little knobs right there, they actually go back here on the back where those are missing, but what I'm going to do first is I cleaned all this with a degreaser beforehand just when I'm cleaning this vehicle up. But the next thing I'm going to do is actually, I got this razor blade here, and I'm going to go through and I'm going to lightly scratch. And as you can see, some of that material is flaking off. So that's what I'm going to do, is go through all these buttons, especially where they're worn, and I'm going to take this and make sure nothing else is going to flake off. So you can see that one's pretty solid, a little bit coming up top there. But that's what I'm going to do. These ones that ain't peeling, I'm obviously not going to do that too, but I'll go through that one, especially that one, and see what we can do with this. A little bit of peeling on this. So for step one's that. Alright, so there's what I ended up with just dragging the razor blade across it. You can see most of the buttons that were pushed all the time were those ones. So now, I got this 91% isopropyl alcohol, and as you can see in this kit, what all buttons it included. So I'm going to clean all this with rubbing alcohol and let it dry. So what that's going to do is make sure it takes any grease or contaminants off of it that could cause the sticker to not adhere to its best ability. So that's the next step. Got my microfiber rag ready, and give this thing a good wipe down. Alright guys, I just wanted to stop and show you. I've put these two on just so you can see how they look compared to everything else. At a couple feet they look fine, but you'll tell if you get up close, focus in here, you can see they don't actually feel all the way around. Like you go over here and you can see now it's a little truck and this little bit of black showing, but it is what it is. It's better than having no button at all. So I wanted to stop and show you there. I'm going to go ahead and finish putting on the rest of these. I'm trying to decide if I want to cover the other buttons, which I think I might, just in essence of trying to save them down the line, and maybe try to give them a common look. I'm not sure. I'm going to put these other two on and see how I feel. Alright, so there's the finished product. I ended up putting all of them on, and I'm going to tell you why. So, OCD is why. Stuff was just not the same shape. Like this kit showed a truck before it showed a car. So, fresh air in, recirculation. Now I got them both showing trucks. The plus signs were different, so I had to get rid of the plus signs, make them look the same. So, that was really it. Overall, this kit, it does a job, but it's not that great. I'll post a link to it. You see these little barbs, these little jut outs here on the end? They go around most of the designs. So I had to cut them off on the ends because, well, they don't have ends on the buttons. And neither one of these kits came just with a flat edge button. So I had to cut those off for these two. And sometimes they were just a little bit too long. So I had to trim the bottom, because if not, it was going to keep flapping and screw with it. But from this far, it looks OEM. So I really honestly shouldn't complain too much, for I think the kit was 20 bucks. But if this video was helpful to you guys and will help you fix that to kind of give back a little bit the appearance of your dash, please hit that subscribe and follow me on Instagram, Mustang Jackson 67. But until next time, let's keep building.